here at Glen Helen today, practicing in the truck. Haven't drove the truck since February, but it's gonna be a fun day. I don't know where I found this.
You found it?
We don't even have any babies anywhere. So today we're out here driving my off-road truck, testing some Mickey Thompson tires. Haven't drove the truck in a while. I've been on kind of like the stock car kick, driving on pavement, so it's gonna be definitely a little change in the circuit, getting a little loose today, throwing some dirt.
Excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. But I know I'm probably just myself. I know, like, whenever I come, like, I don't know why, it's only really Glen Helen, like, I'm super sore after, and I can barely walk here. It's like, ugh, like, everything hurts, your back hurts, but it's so much fun, so it doesn't matter in the moment, but the next day, you're definitely feeling it. Let's go check out the old race truck. She's probably a little more banged up than my stock car. We're on a smaller budget than the stock car program. Is this right? This doesn't look right. Is this supposed to be rubbing? Yeah? I don't know. Stock cars have taught me when you're rubbing on the right front, you tend to blow a tire and go in the wall. We need to clean this thing up. Look at the panels on it.
See the teeth to that NASCAR.
I know.
No dirt at all.
Like, my car is so nice. My stock car, like, hey.
Good to go, pretty much here.
Yep.
So
they went out. They wanted to track, so I chased him down. There's one of 3 guys we gotta.
Yeah. So just stay. Hopefully, we can get his number and stay on him. He should almost just stay over there. We kind of got to decide if we're gonna just go burn it off and leave it dry, or if we're gonna have him keep watering because it's it changes every time.
It'll change every time.
Yeah. So I mean, how many sets do you want to go through?
We got a baseline set, and we got 2 test sets.
Alright.
So, and then I figure we can go from there if we want to try some different cuts, or we'll see what it's like at that point.
I would like to just go out.
It's not even 9 o'clock and I'm sweating. It's hot.
We're checking the snack cabinet. We always have good snacks in here. Oh, there's Pringles. Sour cream and onion. Those are the best ones. It doesn't make your breath smell too good, but they're the best. No gushers. Oh my god, there's gushers. Look at all these gushers. Everyone knows, like, if you know me, I love gushers. They're like, I can go through like 3 boxes in a race weekend. It's kind of, it's not probably very good for me, but it tastes really good, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Not the butt. Let's try to not hit me in the eye. Ow! Ready? No!
We need all the gushers.
What?
We need all the gushers.
I'm not eating any gushers, Oh, dude. Oh, no. It's okay. 10-second roll.
Let's just gear up and go drive before it gets to 100 degrees out. Go out and blow the track off. Give it a little.
This thing just like, the landing, I'm like, ugh. I feel like I'm dying every single time I land.
What's that?
Where's it worse?
It's really bad going off that side jump. Every time I land, it's like, cool, and I'm like, oh my god, and it's like, next jump, it's like, cool, and I'm like,
Into 5.
yeah. Not even a booster seat. I need like some Advil or something, because that's like blowing my head off. Like every time I land, it's not even like, you can't compare it to anything, because you land, it's like your whole body like scrunches, and it like expands real quick. It's not supposed to do that. Yeah, it's like, ugh, and like it hurts in like your head. I know, it's like, ugh.
Probably makes that noise.
And like, I squint my eyes every time I land, I'm like,
Going down and hitting a harsh bump zone in the shock, and it's just going on
Yeah.
the bump zone. So they're gonna start softening it. So hopefully it uses the last few inches of the shock, and it goes like.
yeah,
through
it never lands like this. It's always, it lands like Gavin's truck. It's like,
Boom.
yeah.
Does it when you jump big? Does it go nose down or rear down in the air?
I haven't jumped it too big. That like back jump, it's been going nose down pretty good.
Go on the Pro Light, try to test it out, see if we can make it a little better. And Haley's only driven one Pro Light, so it's probably a little hard to tell the difference between things if you haven't been in a bunch of different equipment. So I'm sure my truck is already like at hard landings in my truck. I'm sure this thing's gonna be way gnarlier.
I want to show them the pain I'm feeling right now. Taking my truck. No, actually I told them to drive it because like, people don't understand. They're like, oh, the Pro 2 and Pro Light, it's just like a mini version of the Pro 2. No, this thing hurts. Like, I've driven a Pro 2 before, and they're like, you land, it's like landing on like a Tempur-Pedic bed. Like, you land on the Pro Light, and it's like straight, like going from like a diving board to like straight butt to concrete. Like, that's what it is. Like, it's just like, you compress, and it like, your whole body like shrinks, and you're just like, oh, it hurts. And then like, next jump, it's like, ah, and you're just like, you just feel yourself like compressing in ways you shouldn't be compressing.
truck's actually fun to drive. It just needs to be tuned a little better. What do you think we should do then? Should we put more air in the bump stop, or what should we do?
I mean, it really didn't change the travel, but did it change how it feels?
It felt a little better. Just trying to fine tune this truck for Haley a little bit. It's just this big jump keeps hurting her back, and I can see why. It bottoms out, but it's not really bottoming out the shocks. It's bottoming out somewhere else. So, you know, I've been racing off-road a long time. I can pick that up real quick. Haley's struggling a little with it, so I think we can get the truck a lot better. If I could spend time with this truck, I could get it pretty dialed, and that's what I think I need to do, just so she can come out swinging, because she doesn't have time to get the truck set up. She's too busy racing NASCAR. So I want to make sure she's got the best truck she can when she goes to race. We've won a lot of championships in this class, so we know how to set the trucks up, but it's going to take a minute. I like it though. This truck's fun. It's like driving a go-kart. All right.
It doesn't sound like it's like hitting real hard, and it doesn't look like it's hitting real hard.
That felt better. Now go watch the moguls. We'll see if we can make that better. So we're just getting done here, testing, tried a lot of different stuff, but we're headed to the airport, we're running out of time, and gonna have to fly to Haley's stock car race up in Seattle, so it should be pretty cool. Looking forward to her racing some NASCAR stuff. So
I always get a lot of questions. People are like, hey, do you ride dirt bikes? I'm like, yeah, I ride dirt bikes in Muskegon.
You gotta gas it.